Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you when to turn while driving. This will be the easiest lesson that pretty much I have ever taught. It's a simple method and basically a set of simple rules that I follow that allow me to know when to turn while driving. All right, let's get right into the video. There are two situations in which you will be turning. The first is when you're already moving, and the second is, sorry about that, when you're just starting to move. So we're gonna go over each of them. Now for the first one, when you're already moving, okay? So essentially, the moment that you turn your wheel, okay, your car is gonna start to turn. But the more that you turn your wheel, the more that your car is going to turn. So what you want to do, and I'll demonstrate it first, then I'll explain it. You want to do your safety checks, your signals, blah, 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 all that stuff, yes. But when do you turn your wheel? So I'm approaching a turn. Hopefully you can see this right about now. So essentially, when my front edge of my bumper is about to hit that curvature of the curb or of the turn, that's when I start to turn the wheel. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over it again. We're gonna try it one more time. And then I'll tell you and I'll show you when to turn when you're starting from a stop. Okay, so I have a stop sign here, but we're just gonna not go over it right now because we're gonna finish off the when to turn without the stop sign. So when you're rolling through it. So for instance, as I approach this turn coming up, I'm gonna pay attention to basically when it actually when I see the curvature of the curb, like when I actually see the turn. The moment that my front bumper comes extremely close to that, you can start right before your front bumper hits like that. As soon as not the actual intersection, but when it starts to curve, like the beginning of the curvature of the turn, that's when you want to start turning your wheel, okay? So I'm approaching this turn up here. So I'm just trying to make my way to the turn so we can continue the video. I'm gonna signal, do my safety checks. Okay, we're good to go. Approaching the turn, and my bumper hits it right now. So as you saw right there, right as my bumper hit the curvature, I started to turn the wheel. Now, when you are starting to turn from a stop, you essentially want to, this is the other situation, you want to push the gas pedal a fraction of a second before you start to turn the wheel. So I'm stopped, now, gas turn, okay? So essentially, I'm accelerating, and then a fraction of a second later, I'm starting to turn the wheel, okay? It's that simple. So like literally, I told you exactly what I was doing. I said gas turn. When I said gas, I was actually pushing the gas pedal. When I said turn, I was turning the wheel. So once again, I'm approaching a turn up here, and essentially, I'm just letting this car pass. I'm gonna push the gas turn. So like I pushed the gas a fraction of a second before I actually turn the wheel. One more time, okay? One more time. I'm gonna approach this stop sign over here, come to complete. Oh, sure, good stop, sure, great stop. Yeah, fine. This person just ran the stop sign. Gas turn, okay? Just like that. So literally I'm pushing the gas, and like a fraction of a second later, I'm starting to turn the wheel, okay? Little piece of advice. Don't run stop signs. Don't roll through stop signs like that person did. Very dangerous, okay? It's that simple. All right, and that's basically it. In this video, I have told you and shown you when to turn while driving. It is one of the easiest lessons that I've taught because it's just so simple. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.